In the elephant world, wisdom leads the way. At the heart of each herd is a matriarch old, experienced, and filled with memory. She remembers distant watering holes from decades ago. In drought, her memory may save the entire herd. Elephant memory isn't just survival, it's social. They remember family, friends, and rivals for life. Elephants mourn their dead. They revisit the bones of lost relatives, showing signs of grief and recognition. They remember human faces for decades, especially those who showed them kindness or cruelty. Elephants create mental maps over hundreds of miles. Their roots are passed from one generation to the next. Elephants recognize the voices of family members, even when separated for years. They remember dangers from long ago and avoid locations of past trauma. Knowledge is passed down. Young elephants learn survival not just by instinct, but by memory and mentorship. When memory is tested, it becomes legacy. A wise elephant can mean life or death for the herd. Even years after conflict, elephants remember rivals. A single interaction is not easily forgotten. Elders pass down knowledge during moments of peace. Memory is transferred through observation. They remember seasonal storms and the safest paths away from flooding. Orphaned elephants from poaching events carry emotional memory, sometimes for life. Reunions are dramatic. Elephants remember bonds that span time and distance. When a matriarch dies, it marks the end of an era of memory. A void opens in the herd. The next matriarch rises, shaped by memories of the one before her. Migrations follow ancestral paths, passed down like invisible trails of memory. Their grief is ritualized. Elephants may return to burial sites for years. The land remembers elephants, just as elephants remember the land. Old elephants act as living libraries. Each step is a transfer of memory. Young elephants mimic the habits of their elders, building memory through imitation. They remember danger zones and hesitate where tragedy struck before. Older elephants guide behavior in subtle ways, lessons taught through gentle correction. Memory doesn't just span a lifetime, it echoes across generations. They remember underground springs from generations ago, hidden wells in barren lands. One call can unlock memory, a sound linked to a time, a place, or a soul. Some memories call them home, even after decades. They never truly forget. Footprints of knowledge are left behind, paths shaped by those who remembered before. If animals think like this, what else don't we know? Subscribe and question everything.